Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on eye protection in Windows 10. It's also called Night Light, and it helps reduce eye strain, especially at night. Let's jump in. First, go to your desktop and click the Start menu, then Open Settings. Or you can just press Windows plus I on your keyboard. Once you're in Settings, click on System. Now go to the Display section on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see an option called Night Light right near the eye top. Let's go ahead and turn that on. As soon as you enable it, your screen will take on a warmer, yellowish tone. This helps block out blue light, which can mess with your sleep and strain your eyes. To adjust it, click on Night Light Settings. Here, you can change the strength using this slider. Higher means a warmer screen. You can also schedule it to turn on and off automatically. Just toggle on. Schedule night light and choose either sunset to sunrise or set custom hours, like from 8 testes. Powerdix PM to 6 AM. This way, it turns on by itself every night. If you ever want to turn it off quickly, you can also do it from the Action Center. Just click the notifications icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and click Night Light from the Quick Settings tiles. And that's how you enable eye protection or night light mode in Windows 10. Don't forget to hit like if this helped. You out, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have a question? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.